So I heard this noise, and I was like, what the heck is that? And here it is. That is a praying mantis eating the crap out of a cicada. Ew. So cool. He's just chowing away, ain't he? He's eating his leg off, it looks like. That is nutty. You're dead anyway, dude. I can't save you. Your guts are all hanging out. It's too late for you. Sorry. If I had a teeny tiny gun, I'd put you out of your misery. That is nutty. He's gonna be eating him for a while, it looks like. I wish I could zoom in better. This is crazy. Wow, praying mantises have pink tongues. I mean, he is just going to town on this guy. I wish you could see that. I wish I could show you that. I really wish I could. I can't. Stupid phone. Yeah, that's blurry as heck. I'll be reliving the meteor, like a fly going across the screen. Sorry for the shakiness. I've had too much coffee this morning. He's like not even bothered. I don't know, I think he might jump on me now. He's looking at me. I'll let you finish your dinner there in a second, buddy. That is nutty.